Daddy got something good for you, as always on my channel. So today I want to show you a method to batch render images with the help of ChatGPT in Automatic 1111. You don't need any extra installs, no coding required, just a very cool trick. So let's get started here. So let's have a look here on how I set this up. Now you need to give ChatGPT some guidance on what you want to have. So here I write examples of a high quality prompt for portrait of a beautiful female wizard for text to image AI image generation. Then here comes the example. Extremely detailed CG, Unity, 8K wallpaper, and so on and so on. So this is a normal prompt as you would write it for Stable Diffusion. It's just a positive prompt, not the negative prompt. Now below that I write, give me 5 more examples of the same scene, but in different times of day, different seasons, and different clothing styles and accessoires. So you can put here what you want to have as a setup, so be kind of specific of what should ChatGPT generate for you. Now also I want to set some rules. This is very important. Now first of all, I don't want it to use any pronouns. I want it to avoid words like in, a, the, with, of, the, an, and, in, by, of. Now it doesn't always do that, but this helps so that ChatGPT is not writing a complete text, a normal scene description as in a novel. So we want to have a real prompt here, right? Then next, I want to start every prompt with these exact words. Now you can't put too many things in here, but you can put some of them in here. So you see, I'm using some double brackets for things that should be more important. So I have here best quality, masterpiece, realistic, and then at the start, I always also put beautiful female wizard, so I have the main focus of my prompt in every prompt at the start. Next, we have at the end of every prompt, I want to have also these exact words. So all of these pictures should be on eye level, scenic, and masterpiece. Of course, you can put whatever you want to put there at the end of your prompt. Now, you have to see if ChatGPT is actually adding these at the start and these at the end, because this does sometimes not happen. In that case, you want to change your rules here a little bit, or you want to re-roll what ChatGPT is creating for you. Now below that, I say leave 2 empty lines after the end of each prompt. Now here, you can't see it doing that, but when you copy it over to Automatic 1111, there's actually a gap between the prompts, and this will be important for us so that we can render them in batch. All right, so let's have a look at what ChatGPT has created for us. So we have a beautiful female wizard in a misty autumn forest, wearing a hooded cloak. The next one is standing on a snow-covered mountain peak. Awesome. The next one is sunflower field in the summer, wearing a flowing yellow dress and a straw hat. Well, not very wizard-like, but pretty cool. Next, we have in a medieval castle courtyard in spring. There's some very good stuff in here. So let's select all of that and copy it over. Now here's a trick. When you select this, use your mouse wheel to scroll upwards so you can have all of them, because of course you can create as many prompts as you want. I have 5 here. You can go with 30 if you want to. So let's copy this over. Now here's the thing you want to do. In Automatic 1111, you want to leave the prompt field empty. You want to write your negative prompt as you would for all of these images. You want to set up all of the settings as you need them for the image. And then next, when we come down here to script, you go here and you select prompt from file or text box. Scroll down, you see here a text box, Control V to copy everything in. You can see here we have a separation between these prompts. And now all we need to do is to click the good old generate button. So let's see. Oh, this already looks really good. She's sitting in the forest. Oh, with a horse in the background. Wow. Wait for this to finish because I have another trick right after that. Oh my God, there is a sunflower field that looks so good. Oh, and in the courtyard with another horse. Man, I would never have come up with these ideas. What is this? It looks like a Egypt princess here. Wow, look at that quality here. Holy crap. That looks really good. Of course, you can use my upscale trick to get even better quality. Now here we have the next trick, because what you can also do is to tell ChatGPT to change the prompts for you. So in this case, I say, I want to have 5 more, but make them darker and more mysterious. Let's hit enter. So here we have the result with moonless night, haunted cemetery, wow, a thunderstorm in an abandoned castle, eerie dawn in a misty swamp, we have a red sunset in a fiery canyon, and a pitch black midnight, ancient ruins. Let's see what this gets us in automatic 1111. So again, we copy this here in our list of prompts, and then we hit the good old generate button. And here we have our beautiful results. Wow, the first one is the moon in the background is a skull. Wow, that's pretty cool. We're on a cemetery, so everything here is very sinister. This one is in the forest reading a book in the dark with some candles, and there is even a spooky house here in the background. That's awesome. Here we have our swamp with kind of a Greek church in the background. Wow, that is so cool. The next one is our desert version. Ooh, very, very nice. And here we have her squatting in kind of an abandoned castle ruin. Also very cool. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.